Good morning, students. Today we start with the chapter title takers. Now, beta, these famous people have got some titles with them. They are known by their name and with their title. So, I'm going to start. Sarojini Naidu was a freedom fighter and social leader. She was also a great poetess and a singer, because of which she is called the Nightingale of India. Now, beta, Sarojini Naidu, a very famous freedom fighter, and she was a great poetess. She used to write poetry and she was a singer, so she was called Nightingale of India. Now, beta, next is Dr. Saleem Ali was a naturalist who observed, studied and classified Indian birds in great detail. He wrote many books about them. He is known as the Birdman of India. Now, beta, Dr. Saleem Ali, he was with nature. He used to love nature and he used to observe, study and he used to classify the Indian birds. And he is known as the Birdman of India. Now, beta, next is Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, was the 11th President of India. He was a scientist and worked as an aerospace engineer in defense and in space research. He is properly known as the Missile Man of India. Now, beta, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, beta, you know he was our president and he was a great scientist and he worked for aerospace engineering, defense and in space research. So, he is known as the Missile Man of India. Beta, next is Milkha Singh. Beta, he is a sports person. He is an Indian track and field sprinter, racer. He took part in the Summer Olympics of 1956, 1960 and 1964 in Melbourne, Rome and Tokyo. He is known as the Flying Sikh. So, Milkha Singh, beta, he is like a track field sprinter and he took part in Summer Olympics of 56, 60 and 64. 56 he took in Melbourne, 60 Rome, 64 Tokyo, and he is known as the Flying Sikh. So now in this beta lesson we have done Sarojini Naidu, Nightingale of India, Dr. Saleem Ali, Birdman of India, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, Missile Man of India, and Milkha Singh, the Flying Sikh. I hope you have understood.